One of the things I always like to say, and it's especially when people, I've helped a lot of federal agencies make that leap. And the first thing I try to explain to them is, listen, cloud is just flat out different. You do not compare it to your data centers. You do not compare it to bricks and mortar. There's no comparisons. Because what you can do in cloud is not even comparable to what you would have in a data center or your LAN room downstairs. And you have to develop a mindset around that. And for me, on the security side, that really hits home because the way you secure cloud is wholly different than what we would do in a traditional data center kind of based application. Your environment is different. Your physical security requirements are going to be different. And believe it or not, you still do have physical security requirements. People like to think you don't, but you do. And not only that, you have to start thinking a little bit broader and a little bit more differently in terms of the risks and threats that represent or potentials for your systems. We've, so knock on wood, have not had any significant incidents that has caused us any great headache, but we've had some close calls. And from those close calls, the first thing we learned is, you got to have experts. And you really do have to have experts in each of the various cloud environments. You cannot compare Google, Azure, and Amazon and just assume they're all the same. Oh, they're cloud, therefore they're the same. No, they're not. And in fact, just because you have really great SMEs in Amazon does not mean those SMEs are transportable over to Google or transportable over to Azure. They're just not. So one of the things that we have to start developing, and we have started developing, is expertise in those cloud environments. If you truly want to realize a multi-cloud environment, you got to develop the expertise.
That's
interesting. And that's a workforce problem.